Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to link eFootball account to Konami ID. To do this, first open your eFootball game and then tap on Extras option and then go to Support. Next, tap on Link Data. Tap on OK and then tap on Link Konami ID. Tap on Processed. Now select the first option, register email address and password as a new user. Now enter your country and then select your language and then put date of birth. I am typing the random date. And then enter your email address. Now set a strong password. And then tap on Next. Tap on Agree. Now get the 6-digit code from your email. Now tap on Next. Tap on Accept. By doing this easy process, you can successfully link your eFootball data with Konami ID. Thank you.